Welcome back to another video on Elite Exotic Essentials. My name's Edward, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make your ideal espresso. So what are you going to need? You need an espresso maker like this one. This one is made in Italy, and in Italy they have really good espresso. Well, the best quality espresso. And you're going to need coffee grounds. So this is Cafe Bustelo, and you can get this coffee. So this is coffee grounds, espresso coffee grounds. You can get this at your local grocery store like Giant Eagle, or go to the Spanish store. So what you gotta do, you gotta twist this open, twist it. Then the bottom half of it, this is where you put the water in, and this is where you put the coffee grounds. Because when you're making it, when you're boiling it, the water is going to start rising, and it's going to mix with the coffee grounds, and that's how you get the coffee. So first I need to put water in here, and I'm using, what type of water am I using? I'm using natural spring water. So really I prefer distilled water, which is the better quality water. Yeah, but you can use any water you have, even tap water. It's coffee. I kind of put a little bit too much. Now you want to be careful, because you don't want, and you want to get a good amount in there. There we go. And now let's open it. Yeah, that's some good coffee grounds right there. See it? I'll close up. I'll do a close up with it. Yeah, that's, you see, nice, really robust, refined, fine coffee. So you put a couple scoops in here. Yep. And then you want to put this lid on so you can compress the coffee. Screw it on. And you gotta let it sit. Let's see this. There we go. Yep, just let it sit now. So let me get to know my audience. So what you guys been up to? I've been good, you know. So I started another YouTube channel, but this is not my personal YouTube channel. It's for the Dunham Tavern Museum, where I'll be interning, where I'm doing an internship at. The Dunham Tavern Museum is a place where the early settlers first came to Ohio, and how it just showcases how they fend for themselves and how they was able to fend for themselves and provide for themselves during that time. So just a part of Cleveland's history. Yep, so I've been doing that, so that's why I haven't posted in a week, but still, I'm going to get back on it so I can be the most consistent, influential YouTuber out here, you know. I'm going to rub my hands together with success. I gotta, you know how when you go to those like slam poetry places, and they, instead of clapping, they be doing snapping fingers. So what you gotta be doing for me. Yep. So yeah, you just gotta let the coffee, let it boil, and you gotta let the coffee boil. So this is where the water is right now. Let it boil, rise, mix with the coffee ground, and then it should be right here at the top. You can hear it. Yep. Hear it. And then another way to enhance your coffee is to put sugar or creamer. So what I like to put is creamer. I'll show you what type of creamer. This is new creamer that I got from Giant Eagle. It is coffee, is Nestle coffee mix. No, coffee cream, like coffee mate. And this is their new cinnamon toast crunch flavor. So I'm wondering how this will taste. I think it'll taste good. It'll taste like cereal. Because the last creamer I had it was caramel. And I was like, well, yeah, I had caramel, and that tastes good. But the best one was chocolate, and it tastes. Cause I'm a chocolate lover. I like chocolate. And yeah, chocolate's really nice. You know what tastes good is chocolate covered strawberries. But that's the most common and popular. But that's get boring. It's chocolate covered grapes. Those are the best.